Hi guys, today we talk about how can you find your favorite lists on your StubHub app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. You click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you come here to favorites here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you, when you click on favorites here, it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all favorite performance. Here you have, I have not favorites yet, but if you have it you will find it here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.